Today's STEM Quick Win is called Freshwater vs. Saltwater and is brought to you in partnership with Citizens Energy Group. We'll be doing an experiment to explore the differences between freshwater and saltwater. Let's join a STEM kit and get started.
Hi, my name is Mackie, and today's STEM Quick Win is about freshwater and saltwater. So, one way that we can see about how much water is on our Earth is by looking at a globe. And if you toss up the globe and you catch it, your hands will always be touching water. And that is to show you that 75% of Earth is covered by water. To break that down, you can see that 97% of Earth's water is not drinkable and it is salt water. The other 3% is fresh water, but not all that water is drinkable. Only 1% is ready to be drank. And that is why it is so important to conserve our fresh water and the water that we need, because it is essential. Today we'll be experimenting with salt water and fresh water and seeing the difference between the two. So the first thing you want to do for your experiment is you want to pour water in two different cups. So one in that one, and then you're going to pour one in this one. After that, you're going to pick one cup that you're going to put salt in. Start with around 5 tablespoons of salt in the spoon, and then you're going to drop that down in one. You're going to do that about 5 times. Give it a little stir, and when you do see that the salt's no longer mixing in, you know that it is fully saturated. So the first thing that we can see between the two are that one is a really milky kind of color and one's still like clear. You can also smell them. One smells really salty like the ocean if you've ever been to the ocean, and this one smells like right when you're about to take a drink. One experiment that we're going to show about density is with food coloring. We can put a couple drops in each one, and you can see that the salt water is fairly dense and that the food coloring is not going, it's not falling down to the bottom. But when we put it in the fresh water, and this shows you that the salt water is more dense than the fresh water. This shows why we do not want to drink salt water and why we need to be able to conserve it, because it is essential to life and all animals need it. Well, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.